The car already runs and the brakes work. So I guess the next logical step is to get this thing cleaned up. It's currently in the 50s and a storm is on the horizon, but it snowed yesterday, so we may not get another chance. Up to this point, I've never tried the top, and I don't expect it to work, but it'll make cleaning the inside a whole lot easier. You may be wondering what was in the back under the top. You got paper towels, some sort of rubber edge banding, probably garbage. The missing armrest for the driver's door. Some sort of jacket. And another some sort of jacket. Columbia. Not as bad as I expected. I guess I'll grab the vacuum. With the vacuuming out of the way, let's see what's under this seat cover. It's literally the only one in the car. It's official. All the seats are in nearly perfect condition.
2 hours later.
I took the time and scrubbed down every surface in this car. I've also made notes of all the trim pieces that need to be replaced. With all that out of the way, this brings us to the most important stage. Naming the project. Every project needs a name. It's very important. In this case, I figured I'd start with some of the more famous Mustang models. I've always liked the Mach 1. Mach None? It's just too long for a badge. Mach 0? I'm sorry, this car is anything but macho. I couldn't think of any funny snake names. But then I remembered there was the short-lived SVO. Between the anemic 4-cylinder engine and the Automagic slush box, this car doesn't offer much for power. So it finally came to me. What do you call a Mustang with no balls? A gelding. I introduce to you the Gelding SLO. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as it'll really help my channel. Best part is, it's absolutely free. Also, ring that bell for notifications of new videos. There's a lot coming, and I'd hate for you to miss out.